So in this video, we will be discussing about the trigonometry. We will start the trigonometry chapter, and the discussion is about measurement of the angle. Now, first of all, what is the trigonometry? The literal meaning of the word trigonometry is the science of measuring the side and the angles of triangles. But now, like in the branch of mathematics, we deal with the measurement of angles of triangles and the problems related to these angles. What is an angle? Angle is basically, now see, if you take this as the initial side, this is known as the initial side, this is the vertex, and you go in this direction, which is the anti-clockwise direction. You go in this direction, the anti-clockwise direction. This is known as the terminal side. So this will be the terminal side. This is A, you can say this as OA, the initial side, OB, the terminal side. This is initial side. Sorry. Initial side, and this is terminal side. Now this angle is known as theta. This angle is measured to be theta. Now, the amount of rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is called the measure of the angle. Now, this is the measure of the angle. Now, one more thing. If you are going in the anti-clockwise direction, basically in this, we have gone in the anti-clockwise direction, so this is the positive angle. And when you go in the clockwise direction, for example, take this as the initial side, and you go like this. So this is the initial side, this one is the terminal side. This will be known as the negative angle. Negative angle, which is in the clockwise direction. Measuring of angles. So basically, when we measure angles, there are two systems of measuring an angle. The degree measures. Degree measures. Now in degree measures, we know that 360 degree is equals to complete circle. This is a complete circle in 360 degree. Also, 1 degree is written as 60 minutes. This sign is minute. Minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So this is 60 seconds. We know that in degree measures also, one right angle is equals to 90 degree. Complete circle, 360 degree, a straight line that is 180 degree. So these are the degree measures. Then we have the system which is known as the circular system or the radian measure. So this is the circular system or the radian measure. Now, how to define a radian? A radian is an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equals to the radius of circle. Now consider this circle, okay, whose radius is r, and this is an arc whose length is same as the radius. So the radius is r, so this arc length is also of the same radius r. So angle subtended by this arc at the center, this is known as 1 radian, represented as 1, and in superscript we write small c, that is 1 radian. Now the next point. Now take one more circle. Okay. Now consider this a circle of radius r. This is an arc length L. Now in this case this L is not equals to r, and this is subtending an angle theta that should be in radian. So theta is in radian. In a circle of radius r, now if an arc length L subtend an angle theta, consider this as radian because this is in radian, at the center of a circle, then the relation theta is actually equals to L by r. Theta is equals to L by r, means this angle is equals to arc by radius, or L is equals to r theta. So this is the relation in radian. Also, now we know that in a complete circle there are 360 degree. also you should know that in case of radian, it's 2 pi radian, which is equals to 360 degree. So complete circle is 2 pi radian, and in complete circle in degree measure is 360 degree. So 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree. Hence pi radian will be 180 degree. Similarly, pi by 2 will be 90 degree. Pi by 3, that will be 60 degree. Pi by 4, 45 degree. And pi by 6 equals 30 degree. So this is how the degree, the radian and the degrees are measured. Now we can write. Now for the conversion. Now see, like for the conversion, we know that pi radian is equals to 180 degrees. So 1 radian will be 180 by pi degree. So if you want to convert radian to degree, okay, if you want to convert radian to degree, you have to multiply that 180 by pi. That means if you want to convert radian to degree, multiply 180 by pi. Similarly, from 1 degree will be equals to pi by 180 radian. So if you want to convert degrees to radian, you have to multiply with pi by 180. Okay, so we can take some examples. So our first question, find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. Means the degree will be given to you and you have to convert them to radian. Now first is you have to convert it to 25 degree. As I have discussed this just now, like to convert degree to radian, so you have to do multiply it with pi by 180. Okay. Now 25 degree, that's very simple. Just do 25 into pi by 180. Pi by 180. So this will convert this to radian. Degree to radian, pi by 180. Multiplying this by pi by 180. Now solving this will give you 5 pi by, you solve it, this goes 5 times, this goes 36 times. Okay, 5 pi by 36, which is radian, or you can just put bracket and then put C over it. Okay, second part. Now they have given minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. See, basically 30 minutes is half of a degree. So you can write this as minus 47 and a half degree, which is basically minus 95 by 2 degree. So again degree to radian, pi by 180. So minus 95 by 2 into this is pi by 180 radian. Now solving this goes 5 times and reducing it to simplest form, this will be minus 19 pi by 72 radian. Okay. Similarly, you can take one more example. Let's take 520 degree. This is again very simple. You just have to do 520 into pi by 180. Solve this. 0 will get cancelled, and then reducing it to lowest term, you get 26 pi by 9. On the second part, now you have to convert minus 4 radian. Again, minus, take the minus sign common. So this is 4 into 180 by pi degree. Taking again pi as 22 by 7. pi as 22 by 7. Okay, so this will be minus 4 into 180 upon 22 into 7. Now when you solve it, this is 2, this goes 11, this will be minus 2 into 1260 by 7 degree. Okay, so our next step is again minus, solve it. This is 2520 by 7 degree, which is equals to minus, when you solve this you will get 2291 by 11 degree. So this is basically minus 229 degree plus 1 by 11 degree, which you can write it like this. Basically this is minus 229 degree plus 1 by 11 into 60 minutes. Now 60 by 11, this is minus 229 degree. This will give you 5, like plus the 60 by 11 is 5 by 11, 5 by 11. So this will be 5 minutes plus 5 by 11 minutes. 60 by 11 is 5 by 11. So this is 5 degree plus 11 by 229 degree plus 5 minutes plus 11 by 5 minutes. Now we have to convert this to seconds. So 11 by 5, what I'm saying, 5 by 11 times 60 minutes. So this will be 5 by 11 times 60, that will be converted to seconds. So this will be around 27 seconds approx. So this answer can be written like minus 229 degree 5 minutes 27 seconds. This is how you write the answer. Okay. So next point, we can take like 7 pi by 6. Now this 7 pi by 6 radian to degree, which is easy. Again 7 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 into 180 by pi degree. You don't have to put pi as 22 by 7 because pi and pi will cancel. This goes 30 times, so this is 210 degree. Next example is the wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many revolutions does it turn in 1 second? Sorry, it's not actually how many revolutions, it's through how many radians. Like there should be radians. So your answer, the number of revolutions should be converted to the radians. So the wheel makes 360 revolutions. So this is 360 revolutions in 1 minute. So how many radians does it turns in 1 second? So in 1 minute, now starting with the solution. So in 1 minute, the number of revolutions of wheel. In 1 minute, the number of revolution of wheel is 360. Okay. So 1 minute means 60 seconds. So basically in 60 seconds, number of revolution is 360. So what about in 1 second? That will be 360 by 60. So that is 6 revolutions. So in like 1 second, it is going on 6 turns. So this is the number of turns is 6. Now 6 turns, 1 turn is what? Is a complete revolution. So in 1 complete revolution, how many? So 1 turn equals to 1 complete revolution. revolution, which is equals to 2 pi radian. So in 6 turns, that will be 6 into 2 pi, which is equals to 12 pi radian. So this is the answer, 12 pi radian. Next question. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 cm by an arc of length 20 cm. So the radius is 100 cm, arc of length is 22 cm. So we have to find the degree measure of the angle. So remember this is in the degree measure. Now in this case, the formula that we'll be using is theta is equals to L by R. Now what is given to us? L is 22 centimeter. L is 22 centimeter and R is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Now the given thing is L is 22 centimeter, R is 100 centimeter. Now using the formula, theta equals L by R. Now we have theta is L by R. So theta is basically, what is L? This is 22 and this is 100, which is 11 by 50 radian. Now see, this is in radian, but we have to express this in degrees. Okay. So 11 by 50 radian. So 11 by 50. Now radian to degree, you know it's 180 by pi. So 11 by 50 into 180 by pi. This is in degree. So we again have to do the calculations to convert this to degree. So basically taking pi as 22 by 7. So this is 11 by 50 into 180. So 22 by 7 will become 7 times 22. 22 by 7. Sorry, this will be 22 and 7 over here will be in degree. Cancel 1 0, 1 0. This goes 2 times. This goes. So this is the calculation which actually reduces this to 63 by 5 degree. Okay, so basically 63 by 5 is 12 3 by 5. 63 by 5 is 12 3 by 5. So we can write this as 12 degree plus 3 by 5 degree. Now convert this to radian. We will do 3 by 5 times 60, which is equal to 36. So the final answer is 12 degree 36 minutes. So that is the final answer. So the angle subtended a center of circle will be 12 degree 36 minutes. Now next example. In a circle of diameter 40 cm, the length of a chord is 20 cm. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Now see, the diameter given to you is, so the diameter it is given to you is 40 cm. The length of a chord is, the length of the chord is 20 cm. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. You have to find the minor arc. So let's make a diagram to understand this better. Okay, now see, considering this as a circle. Okay, now this is a chord of 20 cm and we know that the radius, the diameter is 40 cm, so radius will be 20. This and this is 20. So this is 20 and this is 20 and this is 20. All are in centimeters. Okay, now this is centimeter. Now we know that this is what? This is an equilateral triangle. So this is what? An equilateral triangle. So this will be 60 degree. Yeah, this is 60 degree. Now considering this, you have to find the arc, because you have to find the length of this minor arc. Minor arc will be here. This is the length of the minor arc. Now, by the formula. So this is 60 degree. We have to convert this to radian. So basically 60 degree is pi by 60 degree will be, this 60 degree will be equals to convert this to radian is 60 into pi by 180. So this is basically 0 pi by 3 radian. Now using the formula theta equals L by R, we have to find the length. This implies length is equals to R theta. This implies L is equals to what is R? 20. Theta is pi by 3. Theta is actually pi by 3. So this is actually 20 pi by 3 centimeter. You can express your answer as 20 pi by 3, or you can substitute the value of 22 by 7 to solve it. Both are correct. Now, our next example. If in two circles the arc of same length subtend angle of 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. Now see, the point is there is an arc, they are of same length. Okay, the L is same and they are subtending angle of 60 degree and 75 degree at the center. Find the ratio of their radii. Now, okay, in this case, but you have to use the formula theta is L by R. Okay. So now you can take for the first circle. What will be for the first circle? Now for the first circle, see, this is 60 degree angle. Okay, so 60 degree angle, you have to convert this to first of all to radian, which is 60 into pi by 180. So solve this, this will become okay, leave it right now, 60 into pi by 180. So this is for the first circle. Okay, the angle is 60 into pi by 180. Since L is same, we can take L as L only, but for this let the radius be R1. Okay, now for second circle, this is 75 degree. Second circle is 75 degree. Okay, so the angle will be 75 into pi by 180. Though the length is same, we can take the radius as R2. Now the ratio, simply take this as equation 1, taking this as equation 2 and dividing 1, doing 1 by 2, performing 1 by 2. So this will be 60 into pi by 180 upon 75 into pi by 180 equals L upon R1 upon L by R2. Okay. So now on solving this, this will be actually reciprocated. So you will get the ratio in R2 by R1 form, which is equals to, solve this, you will get 4 by 5. And this pi will also cancel. Actually directly these two will get cancelled. Okay. So but we have to find R1 by R2, which is 5 by 4. This implies R1 is to R2 equals 5 is to